Today we will be demonstrating a failure in a screen that sometimes is mischaracterized as a video input display error, but what is in fact an actual hardware-related error. The customer's complaint is that it had a weird look and it was fuzzy. So here we are going to go ahead and power up the screen to see what's going on. So you see there that vertical lines, a divided partition there. You can actually see that the individual LCD crystals aligned and a line here, which indicates that this is a failed actual LCD panel inside. We can tell it has good backlight because it is brightly illuminated, but the LCD itself has failed. So we will replace this on this Allen Bradley PanelView Plus and see where we get. All right, now we have installed or replaced the LCD within this panel. We are going to go ahead and power it up again to see if we get a display. And there you can see we do have a good display. Everything is booting up correctly. As we can see, the screen is looking good. And from here, we will go on and test touch function. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.